Well, I think the economy has been held back by an avalanche of regulations from this administration. Regulations that have almost destroyed the coal industry, done a lot of harm to agriculture, industries that are really important to southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Pennsylvania. And look, we've got to push back on these regulations. We ought to have a reform tax code that's simple and honest and allows a neutral treatment of people rather than special favors for special interest groups. Those would be two huge pluses for our economy.
If there is
I think we're going to repeal Obamacare, and we're going to replace it with a system where individuals get to have their choice of lots of different competing insurance plans, preferably from all across the country. Plans that don't have all these expensive mandates so that people get to decide what do they want in their plan. I'd like to see health insurance be portable also, so that you own your own plan and you don't have to rely entirely on an employer plan, which can trap people where they work when they might choose to prefer to go somewhere else. I think we should also get rid of some of the excessive litigation that makes healthcare much more expensive than it needs to be. So we need to focus on access, affordability, but the freedom of individual families to decide on their healthcare, not a bureaucracy in Washington. It's going to be paid for. First of all, we can lower the cost of healthcare by allowing a lot more competition among different insurance companies, getting rid of some of the excessive litigation. That'd be lowering the costs, makes it more affordable for everybody. I think it's a combination of focus that I've done on encouraging more economic growth, the Jobs Act, a bill that I wrote together with Democrat senators that make it easier for growing businesses, small businesses, to raise more capital so they can hire more workers. The suspension of the medical device tax, which has cost us so many jobs and so much opportunity in Pennsylvania, but also in the security space. It's my legislation that will help to protect kids at school by making it illegal to knowingly recommend for hire someone who has abused children. It's as shocking as it sounds. That has happened many times. My legislation will forbid that. So it's a range of issues on economic growth as well as personal and national security, and I'm proud of that record.